Everyone, today in this video we will practice the vocabulary and phrases to speak English fluently. First, take the verb and find out its word family and synonyms, antonyms, and how to write it with adverb and nouns and preposition. Today we took the verb love. Love. Second form is laughed and third form is also laughed. Fourth form laughing and fifth form laughs. And word family laugh, laughter, laughs, laughing, laughed. And synonyms are chuckle and giggle. Now write the verb with adverb. Laugh merrily, laugh loudly, laugh happily, laugh simply, laugh easily. And phrases a laugh a minute means very funny. And write the verb with preposition. Laugh about something, laugh at his jokes, laugh with relief,